What's up everybody, this is Sagar Bora this side and I just got done मेरा गुवाहाटी में वर्कशॉप था काफ़ी समय बाद and today was the first day, it was day one and the energy जो मैंने expect किया था उससे कहीं ज़्यादा था. The energy, the hunger, the learning of, I'm very happy to see the growth firstly and there were so many kids and I was not expecting. So yeah, big shout out to Nrityalaya, the whole team for making this happen at such a big scale as you can see and the wait was definitely worth it. जो मेरा 2 साल का जो समय था and tomorrow is going to be day 2 and I'm super hyped and excited for that as well because it's going to be a lot of fun. So once again shout out to Nrityalaya and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Till then take care, keep dancing.
दोस्त बोले विव भाई संभालियो, मुझे तू जाना था एक नंबर काम का, अरसे से मैं रन करता अब भी नहीं हाफता.